Apple's iPhone SE series has always been the go-to choice for those wanting an iPhone without the premium price tag. But things are about to change in a big way. The upcoming iPhone SE isn't just another budget phone. It's the biggest upgrade the lineup has ever seen. Leaks and rumors suggest this phone is bringing a flagship-like experience to budget buyers, and that's something we haven't seen before. So, what's new? A modern iPhone 14-inspired design, Face ID, USB-C, a powerful A18 chip, and a major camera upgrade. Could this be the best value iPhone Apple has ever released? Let's break it all down. Calendar iPhone SE 4 release date. When is it coming? Reports suggest the iPhone SE 4 is already production ready, and if Apple sticks to its schedule, we might see an announcement as early as February 2025. However, Apple is known for last-minute delays, so March or April launch at the spring event is also a strong possibility. Possible launch windows: February 2025. Leaks suggest Apple has completed production. March-April 2025. Apple might unveil it at a spring event. WWDC 2025 June. Highly unlikely, since WWDC is software-focused. Regardless of when it arrives, one thing is certain. The iPhone SE 4 will be worth the wait. Mobile phone iPhone SE 4 design. A huge change. If you've been waiting for a modern iPhone SE, this is it. Say goodbye to the outdated iPhone 8 design. The SE 4 is getting a major facelift. What's changing? White heavy checkmark iPhone 14 inspired design. Flat edges, slim bezels, and no home button. White heavy checkmark 6.1-inch OLED display. A big jump from the old 4.7-inch LCD. White heavy checkmark Face ID replaces Touch ID. No more fingerprint scanner. White heavy checkmark aluminum frame. Same premium build as the iPhone 14. White heavy checkmark single rear camera. Rumored to be a powerful 48MP sensor. This will be the most premium looking iPhone SE ever. For anyone upgrading from the previous SE models, the new larger OLED display and Face ID will be a game changer. Battery USB-C finally comes to iPhone SE. Apple is finally ditching Lightning for USB-C across all its devices, and the iPhone SE 4 is joining the club. Electric plug. What does USB-C mean for the SE 4? White heavy checkmark faster charging. No more slow Lightning speeds. White heavy checkmark better accessory compatibility. Use the same charger for iPads, Macs, and more. White heavy checkmark more universal. No need for separate Apple-only cables. Police Scarlight, but there's a catch. Leaks suggest it might only support USB 2.0 speeds, meaning it won't be as fast as the Pro models. Still, USB-C is a major win for users. Camera iPhone SE 4 camera. A major upgrade. Apple is reportedly bringing a 48MP camera to the iPhone SE 4. That's a huge jump from the previous 12MP sensor in the iPhone SE 3. Camera with flash. What this means for users. White heavy checkmark sharper photos with more detail. White heavy checkmark better low-light performance, thanks to computational photography. White heavy checkmark improved AI-powered image processing. Movie camera video features. Apple's budget iPhones have always had solid video performance, and the SE 4 is no different. Expect white heavy checkmark 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. White heavy checkmark cinematic mode for pro-level depth effects. White heavy checkmark improved stabilization for smoother videos. Even with a single lens setup, Apple's computational photography will ensure flagship-level quality in a budget iPhone. Rocket performance. The iPhone SE 4 is fast. The A18 chip is expected to power the iPhone SE 4, bringing flagship-like performance to Apple's most affordable phone. Fire-wise, the A18 chip a big deal. White heavy checkmark faster performance. Seamless gaming, app usage, and multitasking. White heavy checkmark improved power efficiency. Expect longer battery life. White heavy checkmark AI and computational photography boosts. Sharper images, faster processing. With a more efficient chip and a larger battery, the iPhone SE 4 should see a big improvement in battery life. Expected battery upgrades. White heavy checkmark longer screen on time compared to SE3. White heavy checkmark USB-C fast charging support. White heavy checkmark better iOS 18 optimization. The iPhone SE 4 might finally solve one of the biggest SE complaints. Battery life. Moneybag iPhone SE 4 price. Still a budget iPhone? Apple's SE lineup is all about affordability, but will the SE 4 stay budget-friendly? With all the upgrades, a price increase is likely. Bar chart expected pricing. Base model, $449 to $499. Higher storage options, $549 plus. Even if the price jumps slightly, it will still be the most affordable iPhone with a modern design and flagship-level power. White heavy checkmark should you buy the iPhone SE 4? The iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be Apple's best budget phone ever. With a modern design, a larger OLED display, Face ID, USB-C, a 48MP camera, and an A18 chip, it offers a near flagship experience at a fraction of the price. Reasons to buy. White heavy checkmark modern iPhone 14 style design with a 6.1-inch OLED. White heavy checkmark A18 chip for fast and smooth performance. White heavy checkmark massive 48MP camera upgrade. White heavy checkmark USB-C charging for better compatibility. White heavy checkmark more affordable than flagship models. Potential downsides. Cross-mark price may increase compared to previous SE models. Cross-mark single camera setup might not match dual lens phones. Cross-mark USB-C might be limited to slower speeds. Overall, the iPhone SE 4 looks like the best value iPhone Apple has ever released. The big question is, will Apple release it in February, or will we have to wait longer? Would you buy the iPhone SE 4 or wait for a flagship model? Let us know in the comments.